Hi guys, welcome back. Today we have a quick and easy project that we are going to do. It is a potting bench that is like a day project, or it could be more than a day if you want, but this took a day for me and that's pretty impressive. So I got the plans, they're free plans from Anna White. Simple instructions, everything was simple. It ended up costing, I don't know, $90 to do the whole thing. I don't think that's a bad price for what it is and what I'm using it for, what I plan to use it for. So I hope you enjoy this video and you follow along as we cut, build, use, and paint, then decorate this thing. I am so happy with it and I think you will be too. as you can tell, I painted the potting bench green. This is called Irish Moss by Benjamin Moore. It's a really bright green and I love it. It needs a second coat, but we're not going to do that right now. We're going to decorate it a little bit with what we have and see how it looks all guzzied up. First, I'm just taking little stuff that I know I have. Right up there. I got this at a yard sale a couple years ago. Little chicken. Isn't that cute? And now that I have my chickens, it's even better. I need to get a plant for it, but right now, it's going down there. So cute. I think I am going to paint this. It has a hole at the bottom. It's for flowers, I believe. But I'm going to, I think I'm going to spray paint this something else, but not now. So I have fertilizers and things for my roses and for my tomatoes that I'm wanting to keep in here. Right now, I'm just going to set it under there for now, but I am going to get like a waterproof tub to put under there where we can store it. Always have around just in case. I have this. I bought this. I can't remember if it was at a yard sale or flea market, but it's like a succulent potting thing. I don't have any succulents really, so I thought it would be really cute down here. And put some of those things in it for now. I think the next thing are these hooks. I got these on Amazon and I'll link them below, but they're really cute and they're perfect. They're over the counter hooks. They're perfect for sliding over these boards for the back. So we can arrange these as we need them. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do, my granddaughter brought this home from her school. They gave this to her and I thought it was the cutest thing. So we are definitely going to add this. I have this, it goes on doors, but I think I'm going to put it right here because I think that's a really cute place. Put this up here. It's so cute. A couple things. This I got anytime I'm at Goodwill or a thrift store. I always buy any little garden tools I see because I just think it's cute. Another one. That one. Put this one over here. And I'll always have scissors because I'm always cutting something. Just have the things that are not exactly beautiful, but things that I use. This is a very good snap clipper shear. I don't know what it's called. I don't know. But I thought that would be cute. Found these cute little things. You can put a marker on and write whatever you're using. I'll put those up there too, just because they're just cute and a little extra on there. And I got some cup hooks I'm going to put along the side over here. See, there's the ones that twist in the end. Can you see that? Okay. I'm going to put it along the side right here. So if I have an apron, which I plan on making an apron, but if I have one or a towel or anything like that, my gloves, I do need to find my gloves. It can all go right here. Couldn't find my gloves, but I will find them and then I'll add them to this. But one other thing I did find was this pad, and this works so well if you have bad knees or it hurts to bend down, sit down on hard ground, or to bend with your knees. It is like super thick cushion, and I will try to link something because I can't remember where I got this one. It's not very old, but I'll try to link something similar because it is a lifesaver if your knees hurt or your rear end hurts when you're gardening. My hope is that I can have herbs up here all the time, so I can just walk out from my kitchen that's right across there and come out and get something for dinner, whatever I'm needing. But I absolutely love this thing. It was so easy, and it will evolve into something different, I imagine, at some point. But for now, this is what it is, and I love it.